guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we are a family of 4 and we currently homeschool our oldest son, and we will be homeschooling our daughter next year when she goes into kindergarten. We are business owners. We sell fireworks in the summertime and we do part-time jobs here and there so that we can survive the rest of the season that is not fireworks season. But enough of that. Today we are going to do a review on teaching textbooks. I'm going to try to keep this part short and sweet. I do have a lot of footage as far as the teaching textbooks program goes. So teaching textbooks is an online program. We chose this. One, I am not good at math. Therefore, I'm not good at teaching math. It also gives the parent a chance to get some other things done while their child is working on the math lesson, and so those are the 2 reasons that we chose it. So we are going to start with the pros. Number 1, it is online. Number 2, you don't have to teach it. There are visuals and verbal parts to the lessons. 3, it grades for you and keeps track of those grades in a grade book. 4, you get emails. So say I'm at work and Keaton is at home with our grandma. It will send me an email so I can check and see how he did with his lesson for the day. But you can set it up to where you get an email no matter what. It will just send an email to you. 5, it does give tests and quizzes. Okay, I'm not sure what happened, but somewhere I lost some footage. So we got cut off after number 5. Number 6, you can do it anywhere. So you don't always need the internet, but you do have to download the work or lessons before you are in a area that does not have internet or cell service. And then once you get back into cell service or to internet, then it will upload and be graded as usual. So the cons, the first one that I have is that it moves kind of fast, and they may learn something, do a lesson or 2, move on to something else, and then 6 lessons later go back to what they learned then, and he's looking at me like, Mom, I don't remember this. So there were some lessons that he struggled on, and they pertained to word problems, which is fine. Mom's not good at word problems either, so I totally get it. But I did use the pause feature that teaching textbooks offers so that your time's not running out on the program, so that he could spend some more time on that. All I did was get on Teachers Pay Teachers and printed off some worksheets. If you have not been on that website, you should check it out. It's awesome. And the second and last con that I have is that, so it does have what's called a scratch pad. So you can turn it on and you'll see footage of it. You can change your pencil color. You can change the type of paper that you want. You can change it all up, make it yours. But with the mouse, a computer mouse, it's very hard to write on the scratch pad. And it's so that you can work the problems out, of course. But he gets very annoyed with it because he can't read his numbers after he's written them. So we've actually resulted in just using pen and paper instead of using the scratch pad. So and then like on a tablet or a phone, unless you have a stylus, you know, you got big fingers, you can't write very well. It's the only two cons that we had, really. Not bashing at all. We really like the program. It just isn't working for us anymore. So definitely going to try something new next year for 5th grade math. So that's all the talking that I'm going to do. Stick around and you will see footage of Keaton actually doing a lesson, and then me showing you around on the Teaching Textbooks app on my phone. So both the parents' side and the student side of the app. So thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. That really helps out our family and shows YouTube that you like what you see. Bye, guys. Okay, so right here, Keaton is doing his problem on a piece of paper, but I also had him pull up the scratch pad, and here he is showing that you can change all the different types of paper or background, the different color that you can write with, and just to give you an idea of what it looks like. So here Keaton is showing that you can turn the answer on, and then it brings up the box that you would put your answer into.
You need to write the Roman numeral for 11. Rewrite 5 times 3 as the same number added to itself over and over. You need to write 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 as a multiplication. You need to solve this word problem. Ms. Redding is knitting a hat. She has 89 feet of yarn and she's only used 15 feet so far. How much yarn does she have left? You need to solve this word problem. Stephanie has 14 more gumdrops than Julie, and Julie has 11 more gumdrops than Amber. If Amber has 18 gumdrops, how many gumdrops does Stephanie have? On this problem, you first need to add 11 to 18, then add 14 to that.
Thanks for watching.